So we're here at Corsair, and I love seeing all of the fully built systems that you guys offer, but obviously this is a brand name that DIYers know for putting together their own systems. Walk us through some of the new components that Corsair has for people who roll their own.
Roll their own. We have a bunch of stuff, obviously. We are #1 in power supplies, so we have some new power supplies. We have an SF750, which is a platinum efficiency small form factor SFX series power supply. It's the highest power density in that actual form factor, so it's full SFX. It's not like an SFX-L where it's a little bit longer. This is a real SFX power supply with 92mm fan, 0 RPM fan mode, platinum level efficiency, and we have it running on this system behind me, running two 2080 Ti's and a 9900K overclocks off a tiny little power supply that big.
Nice.
So that's pretty cool. There's an AX850 and the AX1000. Those are updated titanium level AX series power supplies. Those are also really, really good quiet power supplies, nice cables and all that stuff. Really good fully modular units. Those ones are going to be available really quickly, and people are going to be really excited because both of those things are now the same level efficiency, same noise level, but we actually shrunk the AX1000 down from 200mm to 180mm, so it's even shorter. So the same size as most people's like 750 watt power supplies and a full 1000 watts. So those are pretty new, and those are really cool. We have a bunch of accessories for people who want to actually upgrade their home system. So a lot of our cases now come with a 90-degree GPU mount, so you can mount your GPU vertically. We have a new ribbon cable, PCI Express.
Yeah, actually, can you grab it real quick? Because it's so simple. It's such a little, I know you're going to Bowflex us here with our GPU cables.
Yeah, so actually
this is so clean.
Right. This is, what's really impressive about this is how many of these exist and how many of them are just awful.
Yeah.
This is full PCI Express 3.0 speed, and it has a built-in kind of PCB here to run your GPU on, and then this plugs into your slot, right this.
Right.
And so you can actually, because we have these cables segmented out, you can kind of cable route it how you want. You can do, whatever you need to do to get it working. And the thing about it that's really important is that to shield this correctly and do this all right to get the full PCI Express 3.0 speeds, do some real engineering work. So we've been working on this for a long time with some people, and this will actually, and there's like very few of these that are actually out there will give you the same performance as just plugging into your motherboard. And this will be exactly the same speed as your motherboard.
That's
everything
excellent.
we've tested.
All right, so I have to put you on the spot here. I think it's a little silly that it's taken you guys this long to offer up your own thermal paste.
Oh man, I completely agree.
I have spent so many PC builds with Corsair loop coolers and everything that it makes me very happy to see that.
TM30, yeah. No, I agree. I've only been at Corsair for about 15 years, but since I started, I was like, hey, we sell memory. Why don't we sell thermal paste?
Well, welcome to the party. I'm glad you've arrived.
Yeah, the thermal paste is nice. We have also some cool accessory cables. So we do the sleeve cables for all of our fully modular and partially modular power supplies that have custom sleeving colors. We've upgraded those now so they're a little bit better sleeving, a little bit more uniform in space. They come with cable combs pre-applied.
My PC does not look like that.
No, but it could if you had the Type 4 Gen 4 sleeve cables from Corsair.
Now, I also wanted to ask, I really like this new trend where we have different color options.
Yeah.
So with all of the RGB going on in systems right now, these white builds are looking really sharp for all of the reflectivity.
Yeah, we have a bunch of different stuff like that. There's 7 colors of the custom cables available. So, it comes in white, it comes in black like everyone would want, but also blue, red, or even dual tone, like this black and white version.
Yeah, that looks really sharp.
We had a request to build the LL120 fans with white housings, so we've done that as well. So you can buy those now. So you can buy coolers that are all white with white tubes and everything. You can buy the fans that are all white. So if you decided to want a whiteout build like this one, you can do that.